plastic lies. Every hand that reached for me felt like another chain I'd need to break free. They cling to stories made in dust, blind faith, blind hope, blind trust. But I saw through the curtain early on. Once you see the trick, the magic's gone. I won't kneel, won't pray, won't bow, won't fake believe to fit in somehow. If truth offends, then truth offends. I don't need crowds, I don't need friends. So I'm moving now where the trees don't lie, where the air's not thick with another man's cry. No saints, no scripts, no fragile crowd, just wind in my lungs and silence loud. Far from the noise where I can breathe. Humanity's a weight I finally leave. Let the world spin mad, let it fall apart. I'll be alone, but I'll guard my heart. I'll guard my heart. Ghosts and call it grace, hands held high with a hollow face. I don't trust a God they can't explain, all the people who sell them like Novocaine. I'm moving now.